Hi guys! Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to
K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the Sabrent Rocket Nano USB 3.2 rugged waterproof external aluminum SSD.
Very big name. Big name.
So this is a external SSD NVMe type. To be exact,
so
1 TB SSD.
So this also comes in 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB.
So this this SSD it has a USB-C in it, which you can make it go from USB-C to
USB-C,
USB 3.2, or you can make it USB-C to USB-C for Mac or other devices with only USB-C.
And it also is waterproof IP67 to 1 meter drop test.
And this also has read speeds up to 100 megabits per second, technically 1 gig per second almost, which is a lot because others at the same price range, they only have like 500 or they're like, and others at the price range, they're also like larger than this. So you guys can see the SSD box. Here's the front and here's the back. So we have a 1 terabyte module here.
You have the 1 terabyte one.
And now we're going to open it.
So that's the flap, and then it
it
says
just
something
like
on the back.
Does it? I think it's just information like on that. And
So-
okay, that's how it opens.
So it's like flap.
Okay,
So that's the SSD.
this
So
is SSD. We'll put this on the side. That is
and
very
this
small.
is the cable. So this is USB-C to USB-C, and USB-C to USB 3.0.
Let's take these out and show. So the cables are pretty simple. They're just small cables.
But they're like pretty short. There's
Oh, do you want to show them the SSD?
Okay, so this is a SSD. You can see to my palm. It's a little bit bigger than my palm, but it's because I have small hands. It's like, and you might be thinking this is a button, but it's actually
Just like a design.
a design, yeah. And this says Sabrent, and here's a small little.
So I'll be showing you the SSD. Here it is again, and you can see there's this rubber thing on it. This is for the drop,
test.
and if you really wanted to, you could just take it off. We can show you. It's a little bit hard, but you can take it off. Yeah, there. Here it is.
Here's the SSD without the rugged case. That is even smaller.
I'm pretty sure the one that's not waterproof is even smaller than this, because this is waterproof, so I guess it needs some.
And it's drop test. So
yeah. So I'm pretty sure it's a little bit smaller and thinner.
like about a millimeter or something.
This is very small.
Is it? But it's it's actually surprisingly heavy for the size. Check it.
It's fairly heavy, yeah.
It's fairly heavy for the size. Cause usually this
So you might have seen our PC build video. So we put in a 512 GB SSD NVMe, and that was larger than the case over here. So that just makes you realize that they have a smaller SSD than normal NVMe ones. So then I guess that would mean you can't really take out the SSD and replace it somehow.
Yeah.
Because I guess it uses a specific one right over here.
And is that why it says Rocket Nano, because it's maybe a nano NVMe SSD?
Probably.
Yeah. It's
So
like, it's more, and usually you get like a big one, a little bit bigger one, but sometimes you can put small ones. But I think so they're like more expensive or something. That's USB-C.
Here's SSD.
C to USB-C.
Yeah. The thing is, you can just take this wherever you want. Waterfall falls from the from a top height, no problem. Just go get it.
And even when you're going on like taking pictures in the forest, drops in the water, lake, you can just pick it back up, dry it a little, and then you're good to go. Or you can just, if it drops on a rock or something, you have the rubber protection. No dents, nothing.
This SSD is pretty cool. We like it. We might use it for like putting on like external videos or something like that.
Yeah.
The videos we edit. So then, thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna hit the bell icon.
Bye.